Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to build credit with a Capital One credit card. The first step is to use your card responsibly. Start by making small purchases that you can afford to pay off each month. Keep your spending within 30% of your credit limit. For example, if your card has a $500 limit, try to stay under $150 in spending. The second step is to make your payments on time. This is one of the most important factors in building good credit. Set up reminders or automatic payments to ensure you never miss the due date. Even paying the minimum amount is better than missing a payment, but paying off the full balance is ideal to avoid interest. Next, use your card regularly but wisely. Regular use shows lenders that you can handle credit responsibly. Just be sure to only charge what you can pay off each month. Check your account statements and your credit score frequently. Capital One offers tools like CreditWise, which allows you to monitor your credit score for free. Keeping track of your progress will help you stay motivated and adjust your habits if needed. If you have a secured Capital One card, work toward upgrading to an unsecured card. Over time, responsible use may make you eligible for an upgrade, which can further improve your credit standing. Lastly, avoid applying for multiple credit cards or loans in a short period. Too many credit inquiries can negatively impact your credit score. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.